So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your first $1,000 a day or even higher, like $2,000 per day commissions. Yes, high ticket commissions with affiliate marketing, promoting, done for you system. So why I'm showing you this, I want to tell you exactly during these times of different, let's say, chaos in the world, how you can utilize online marketing or affiliate marketing and start having real life commissions. I mean commissions, but you can go out and have a lifestyle like this with your friends, your family, with colleagues, everyone you know. So basically this lifestyle is possible. I'm not showing this to brag, but to show you what is possible when you do affiliate marketing correctly and you start having results like this. So you can travel around the world and have the lifestyle you want. Now the point of this video is not to show you the photos from my Instagram, but the point is to also tell you what is possible, right? And to give you the means to get started. So let me show you here the results I'm getting. So over here you can see on my screen, with this new system, you see $2,000, $2,500 commissions, and those are all paid straight to me. So it means that I'm getting them straight in the same day. So yes, if I get sale today, it means I get paid today. So for example, if you have to pay car payment tomorrow or next week, or you have to pay for the house or for your kids or your wife, birthday gift, I don't know what, coming Christmas now, right? Gifts, you can use this system to pay your $2,000 or $500 or $1,000 commissions straight to your bank account. So it works really, really well. Now, how we are doing it? We have done for our system. We have the traffic source set up. So I mean that you're getting visitors to your affiliate link. And once they click on your link, you get paid. So basically you get paid instantly. There are different methods where you can withdraw your money from the ATM, right? You can send it to your bank account. You can send it to Stripe. You can send to PayPal. You can use Bitcoin. So it doesn't matter. Always where you want to get paid, you can set it up in your own back office, basically online dashboard. So as you can see here on my screen, it works really well. Those are all $2,500 per day commissions. Just do your math. You have 4 sales per month. You're making $10,000 per month with only 4 sales. Now what traffic source I use? I combine different traffic sources. Google Ads is one of them. The system itself, the company itself, will also send you bonus free traffic when you get started. So with one sale, you can break even. It means you make your money back with only one $2,000 sale. So you get commissions straight to your bank account instantly in the same day. So in this case, you need to have someone to guide you through step by step and help you. So what is my bonus? As you can see over here, what you can do next, right? After watching this video, you can contact me one-on-one. So I'm me personally, as you can see me here. You can reach out to me on Instagram, and you can see if I go here, here is my Instagram, as I showed you before, right? You can reach out here to me, right? You can connect with me on my Instagram, and then we can get started. So if you want to have any questions, or even if you need some support, or if you want to have the lifestyle like this, as you can see over here, just reach out to me and we can get started. The links are below this video, and what I'm also giving you is VIP bonus, which is basically a free formula that will enable you to start having results with email marketing. So basically, imagine this: you wake up in the morning, you have a list of 1,000 people, which is really reasonable to get and easy to get. Because why? Imagine these people have millions of people on the list, right? On the list of email list. And you, if you have only 1,000 people, imagine this: you need only one sale to make 2K per day. So $2,000 sale, you have only one sale per week. Let's be honest, you have only one sale per week. Let's say you're lazy, maybe you don't have time, maybe you're busy, maybe you're sick, you don't have time, you have only one sale per week, you're making $10,000 per month commissions, right? So it's a really amazing system when you think about it now, right? Because it enables you to have the lifestyle you want. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and links are below in the description below under this video, so you can send me the email, you can WhatsApp me, you can send me a message as well on the Instagram. Again, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.